Good evening, YouTube. Monday evening again, out here in the garage. That is Mongo's garage. I am Mongo. But I wanted to give you guys a quick update on what's going on with old SBSB, SpongeBob SquareBody. So this is the door that was giving me so many problems the other day. I finally had enough and whacked out on it and took a hammer to it. Honest to God, took a hammer to it. But all I did was right across where I was showing you guys that it was real high, I beat that down. And then I skim coated the whole bottom of it. What you're seeing here is the second and third coats since the skim coat. I had a little area that was high right through here that I went ahead and beat back down as well. So you can see there, that door is finally almost done. This door over here just had a little bit that it needed yet, right there on the corner, that corner, and then around the door lock, it just had a couple little areas that needed touched up. So those will get scuffed up tomorrow, I hope, after I put the mud on tonight. It's too cold out here to let that mud, unless I kept the heater on it constantly, but then we'd still be out here till 10 o'clock, and we all got to work in the morning, so not too much to get done tonight. But the doors are really, really close to being done. Oh, we did change the tires around. I got the aluminum tires off of it. We're going to polish those up. And we swapped over a whole bunch of tires. Those tires, I believe that was an original tire from whenever the truck came to my garage. This is not. This is the original spare wheel. It was on the truck. We mounted a tire to it because the tire that was on it was junk. That kind of gives you the old dog dish hubcap look. I threw that Ford hubcap on there. You know me and my Fords, see what they thought about it. But the tire machine, put it to use. That's what we were using. As you can see, it's back to grinder duties again. There's that goofy snowplow. I got a pressure relief valve coming in for it tomorrow. We did change this tire over. That's one of the tires off of the aluminum wheels. And the same thing for this one back here. Also one of the tires off of the aluminum wheels. But we did start cleaning up one of the wheels. So as you can see, we got the tire off of it and started cleaning the wheel itself up. All we've done so far was 80 grit around the edge to take the big marks off on the DA. And then everything else you see, I started with, I believe it was 220, and just started working in. And luckily, someone's already removed all of the little, what was probably rivets. Someone's removed all those, and we're trying to figure out what to put back in. I went ahead and ordered 100 of these 1/4 inch by 3/4 inch long stainless steel button head screws. That's what we're going to put back in it. This is a steel one, and this is just a grade 8. It was a nickel cadmium, but you can see after sanding on it, it's taken all that nickel cadmium off of it. But I cleaned all the holes up with a wire wheel, did the best we could with it. KJ had to take those wheels down to Zada's in Wellsburg, have Teddy actually take the tires off because he could not get them to budge with the manual machine. So he had to take them down to Teddy's and take them down there. So the wheels themselves look pretty nice. We are about 90% sure that they're original American Racing wheels. I think they're 15 by 8.5 is what it says on the back. But they're not in bad shape. Once we get them all cleaned up, I am going to make a wheel buffing machine. That's what that bearing is for. It actually is a 2-wheel drive Chevy Suburban bearing that I'm going to mount into a carrier and drive the wheel so that it's spinning. And you can see, yes, I know that's backwards, but it's 6 on 5.5. Typical Chevy. On eBay, I believe, what was it, 25, 35 bucks? Not eBay, Amazon. And that's going to be the bearing for the wheels so that I can buff them up. But other than that, it's little this, little of that. There was something else. Oh, I wanted to show you the tailgate, the bumper. As you can see there, the seam sealer is now in the bumper. And that is what was in that bumper from the factory, believe it or not. We ground it all out of there. So once I get that bumper sealed with the urethane sealer, it'll look real good, I think. Then we're going to paint it argent with silver. Also did those couple little spots in the cab that needed it in the corners there. That one. That one. So coming along, just keeping you up where we're at. Hopefully tomorrow we get these doors sanded down the rest of the way, and I'm hoping to prime them tomorrow. If not primer tomorrow, definitely primer Wednesday, and then we can scuff them down and get everything ready to put in sealer. Once everything's in sealer, I can start thinking about color paint. Like I said, the pressure relief valve will be in tomorrow for this, so hopefully we'll get it out of the way as well. That's it for Mongo's Garage tonight, guys. I believe this is part 8 of SpongeBob SquareBody, which means that we've been at it here doing video anyway for 2 months. So thanks for coming along. By all means, a lot of my views on these videos is coming from non-subscribers, so I know a lot of you guys aren't subscribed to the channel. I sure would appreciate it if you did. Not that I'm trying to make any money off of it, but definitely trying to get a whole lot more views and get a whole lot more people interested in what we've got going on here in Mongo's Garage. So, until then, we will see you guys later. Mongo Man is out. See you later, boys. Hey guys, made it to the end of SpongeBob SquareBody Part 8. That's right, 8 parts, 8 updates of this goofy truck. At any rate, hey, what I meant there at the end of the video was that most of you guys that are watching these videos are not subscribed to the channel. I can see it in the little doobly-doos there that I get on the backside. So I would really appreciate you guys subscribing, liking the channel, liking the videos. Tell me what you think of what we're doing. Tell me what you think we're doing right, what we're doing wrong, or if you just think we're goofy. At any rate, thanks a lot, guys. Mongo out.